What up, everybody? Steve here. It's been a minute, but we're back. And today, it's summertime in San Diego, so let's make some fish ceviche. This is more like a Mexican style ceviche with white fish, some avocados, some chili oil. But it all starts with fresh ingredients and the prep. So here we have a Roma tomato that we're gonna dice up, and we're gonna take out the seeds. Next we have some cucumbers that we're gonna peel and dice up, also with no seeds. And you want no seeds in this ceviche so it's not too watery once everything is mixed, because there will be a lot of juice coming out of everything already, even without the seeds, and that can take away from the flavors. Next up we have a jalapeno that we're going to de-seed and dice up. You can use any chilies you want depending on the heat level you want. Some fresh cilantro. Yellow sweet onion that we're going to dice up here. You can use white onion, purple onion. And this is our first prep. Get everything into a bowl. And next we're going to squeeze some fresh lime juice into another bowl. And we're going to get started on our fish. And today we're using wild caught cod. This is from Costco. Very affordable, very delicious. And you want to use a really high quality, or at least a good quality fish that you can trust. So I think the cod from Costco is worthy of that. But you can use snapper, halibut, sea bass. Marinate the fish in the lime juice for about 15 minutes, and then we're going to combine everything together. Hit it with some sea salt and a lot of black pepper to season the dish. Some Maggi seasoning for extra umami, and some Worcestershire sauce to give it a little tang. More black pepper, of course. Mix everything up nicely, and your ceviche is basically ready to throw into the fridge. And you want to serve this chilled, so about 30 to 45 minutes minimum. And I would probably not eat it past 24 hours. And these are the delicious blue corn tostadas that we get from Sprouts. They're oven baked, really good texture, very crunchy, clean ingredients, and they're oven toasted, so they're not deep fried. And look at that, just gorgeous color and texture and crunch. And here comes our avocado, perfectly picked by Kim. And we're ready to plate. And obviously you don't want to, you want to avoid all the juices and stuff, if you can. Onto the tostada plate it goes, and we're just gonna slice up our avocados here. And you guys can also dice up the avocados and throw it into the ceviche and fold it in. But I like doing it like this so it doesn't mess with the texture and ruin it if you don't eat it all at once. We're going to garnish it with the little jalapenos and some homemade chili oil to give it a nice kick. But that is optional. And boom, nice and easy, fresh ceviche. Something you can whip up quickly in the summer. You don't have to turn on the heat in the house. And it's Kimberly approved. Thank you guys for watching. What